Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the content file locked error on Steam Workshop using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken file paths on your current setup session so your game modifications can update safely on your machine. Step 1. Run your game application in administrative mode. The first step is to close out your windows, go to your main desktop screen, and open your main software launcher using special administrative permissions to force your way past the locked file block. Close your main application window, move your mouse cursor over to your software icon on your desktop screen, click your right mouse button once, slide down the Options menu, and select the row that says Run as Administrator. Click the Yes button on the security box that pops up flat against your background view, allowing the software launcher to open with full master control over your folders. Because your computer operating system frequently locks down files to protect your main computer folders, when your software does not have explicit permission to modify files inside those locked areas, it spits out the file locked error message. Running the tool as an administrator gives the application total freedom to overwrite the locked files instantly. Step 2. Wipe out your temporary download cache folder. Next, you need to open your main settings menu, head over to your File Delivery tab, and use the built-in Folder Cleaner button to throw away the clogged data fragments that are holding the lock. Click Steam at the top left, open your Settings panel, click on the row that says Downloads on the left menu bar, locate the button that says Clear Download Cache and click it once. Click the Confirmation button when the box asks if you want to restart your application and wait for the software window to turn back on. Because your computer piles up old broken tracking details in its temporary memory card. If one single file piece gets jammed in a loop, the computer marks it as in use and locks it down tight so nothing else can touch it. Clearing this cache box sweeps away those old broken pieces completely, forcing the program engine to release the lock and start a fresh download line. Step 3. Use the verification tool to scan and relink your game folders. The final step is to turn your computer back on, open your software library, and run a system folder check on your target game to force the computer engine to repair your folder paths permanently. Open your software library, right-click on your game name, choose Properties, click the Installed Files tab on the left menu, and click the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Watch the progress bar scale up to 100% on your screen canvas rows, and watch your stuck Workshop downloads finish installing automatically. Because it repairs the broken communication lanes between your core game data and your outside Workshop folders. Now that your administration rights are active, your cache is cleared, and your network is reset, this check overwrites the old locked files with healthy data pieces. Your file unlock setup is completely finished, and your workspace behaves beautifully. And that's it. To fix content file locked Steam Workshop error, you must first right-click your software icon and run it as an administrator to clear folder write restrictions. Then you move your mouse to the Settings panel under the Downloads row and click Clear Download Cache to wipe out your temporary folder data. Finally, you go to your game properties and click Verify Integrity to scan and fix your broken folder links automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.